Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first tangible steps. Ensure your character and gear meet the Azure Latch requirements, then equip the Latch tool with at least half charge. Once done, position yourself in an open area and clear nearby threats so you can focus. Make a short dash practice to get timing. This trains the cancel input you'll use. By beginning with these exact checks and one rapid practice loop, you set the process up for consistent execution. Now you move into the complex middle steps. Perform the latch input, wait roughly 1/4 of a second, then execute the dash cancel to convert momentum into extra range. Once airborne, use the air tilt to carry the opponent, then trigger the quick recovery to maintain height and link into the 3-hit follow-up. Make sure to watch your energy meter and hold a 20 to 30% buffer so you can evade or relatch if needed. Repetition builds the muscle memory. For the exact rhythm to finish, commit to the heavy slam on landing to maximize lock duration and stun. This secures the combo's reward. Once landed, reposition immediately to control spacing and prepare for another latch cycle or a defensive option. If you encounter inconsistency, here's the key troubleshoot tip. When you miss the chain, slightly delay the initial latch input by 1/10 of a second and run the sequence slowly in a safe practice area to recalibrate timing. That adjustment usually resolves timing drift and restores consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.